go for a cruise. 1969 Roadrunner today. This is a rare car. I believe only 1,111 of these made in 69, a convertible. This one's got the 383 under the hood, 727 automatic shifter right here, bucket seats, center console. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, handles the bumps nicely, power top also on this one. This one went ahead and all of our cars have a thorough inspection done by our shop. This one passed with flying colors, which is a rarity. We're usually, repair something at least, but this car is just so dialed in when we purchased it that the shop didn't see anything that needed to be repaired on it. So it's a really good car altogether. Even got the 8-track player there that works. Let's see what she's got. Yeah, I mean the 383, the pull, that torque that you get, absolutely smooth revving motor. This is a complete rotisserie restoration. Everything's been gone through on it, and it's a fantastic vehicle. Rides super nice. Check this out. No hands. I mean, absolutely tremendous. The quality of the paint, I know Jay's gonna go over it, but the quality of the paint is just top notch. I mean, the way that this thing looks out in the sun, the reflection that comes off of it, absolutely can't beat it. The streetability of it, or the ride quality, excuse me, what I meant to say, is just tremendous also. I mean, I'm very impressed. Oh, I forgot to say, it has less than 47,000 original miles on it. This car's all documented with the broadcast sheet and everything, but yeah, it's a very low mile original car that has gone through a very thorough, detailed rotisserie restoration. Come test drive it if you'd like to. Contact someone in our sales department. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to help you. If you need to fly in, we're only about a half hour outside of O'Hare International Airport in Chicago. So, yeah, absolutely tremendous vehicle. You're going to love it. Check out the pictures, the details, and the full description on volocars.com.